I'm a big coffee fan, and one of the best things about the Mod Blend Pro is that it has a specific function that grinds coffee beans. Let's throw these coffee beans into the jug and see how powerful this blender is. So place the lid on top and select the coffee grinding function. That smells so good. The consistency is so fine. Another thing that I love is iced coffee. So what I've got in here is 2 shots of coffee. I'm gonna pour in some milk and add in about a handful of ice and blend up your iced coffee.